Hello. Today I want to talk to you about an excellent Festool and Rockler dust hose alternative. This is the Cen-Tec vacuum hose and adapter kits. It is a quick disconnect vacuum or a connector set. Comes with a little vacuum port on the side of it, so if you're getting too much suction to your sanders, you can release it just a little bit. That'll keep them from pushing down or pulling down on the work and creating swirls. Comes in various sizes, multiple different sizes, with just 2 kits. I can use one adapter for my random orbital and my Festool domino. I've got another adapter that fits my particular bandsaw. That same adapter fits my track saw. Also fits my Metabo sander. I've got one on my Max XT sander, and I've got a couple extra spares for various sizes, different things I might run across. Excellent kit available on Amazon. There's 2 kits. I've got an expanded set, and then I've got the standard kit. The standard kit comes with 2 adapters, these 2 here, which fit majority of what I needed. My Max XT used a little smaller adapter. The hose comes in a 10, 16, 20, and a 30-foot kit. The adapter set comes with 4 other sizes of adapters. The link form will be down in the comment or the description below. But in the hose and the 2 kits, or the adapter kit I've got, I think I've got $68, which is a whole lot cheaper and easier to work with than the Festool set. And I'm quite happy with it. It works very well. Like I said, it's available on Amazon. Check it out.